Hello, welcome to Sheet Pointers Lesson 4 on Conditional Formatting Basics. So hopefully you've read the article, but if not, on this lesson we go over how to do conditional formatting. And here I brought an example. So what conditional formatting does is it basically can color code different cells based on information you give it in conditions. So let's go over how to do conditional formatting on this. So we see there are a bunch of 5s and 6s, but it might be a bit hard to see which is a 5 and which is a 6. So what we can do here is do conditional formatting. So what we want to do is highlight the area you want conditionally formatted, hit Format, and go here to Conditional Formatting. This will bring up a taskbar on the right-hand side. So let's start here. Apply to range. So using this, we can select what we want to apply to conditional formatting to. Since we only want to apply to the numbers, I'll just highlight the numbers. Now the rules. So we want it to decide if it's a 5, let's turn it red. So you want to see format cells if, and you want to do text is exactly, or we can also do equal to. Doesn't matter for this one, but let's say equal to. So if the cell is equal to 5, we can choose to turn it red. Oh wait, my bad. I accidentally hit the color. We want to fill the cell red. And see, now we hit done, and now all of the 5s are red. But let's say we want to turn something with the 6s. So then apply to range again, select all the cells, and then let's see, equal to again, but this time let's do 6. And let's make them green. Done. And now you have this beautifully sorted. So it's so much easier to see what's a 6 and what's a 5. Um, let's just walk through how this works though. So let's see, my bad. Just want to highlight this again. Oh, there we go, perfect. So what this does is it looks through these cells from B2 to E8. So from B2 to E8, it looks through those cells and looks if there are any cells equal to 5. And if they're equal to 5, we want to turn them red. You can also do other things. You can make them bolded, you can make them underlined, italicized. But essentially, the first part you tell it where to look. The second part you tell it what you want it to look for. And the last part you tell it what to do with that information. And really, that's it to conditional formatting. So thank you for watching our video. Hopefully you'll visit our website at sheetpointers.com and look up this article. Thank you very much. My name is Andrew Leonard, and happy spreadsheeting.